Experiences you may only find in Vietnam. Hands-on pottery making. On their recent trip, SME Capital Group had the chance to explore Bat Trang Pottery Village, not just by walking through the museum, but by truly connecting with the craft. They listened to stories behind centuries-old ceramic traditions, observed the delicate process, and even got to sit down at the wheel to shape their own cups and bowls. Train Street Cafe. And in Hanoi, we brought them to the iconic Train Street Cafe, a place where locals and visitors sip coffee just inches away from a train rushing past. A little thrill, a little charm, and completely unforgettable.
Contact us, MTravel. We represent more than the company.